This is the best technique for creating a heart shape in Adobe Illustrator, and I can promise you that once you learn this technique, you will never use another one again, because this technique provides maximum flexibility and it requires zero skill. No drawing, no pen tooling. Let's jump into Illustrator and get started. So first of all, for this marvelous technique, I'm going to go to the rectangle tool, click and hold, and select the polygon tool. Then click anywhere, type 3 for the number of sides, and press return. Scale this up. Rotate this round. Next, press A for the direct selection tool, drag over that top horizontal line and press delete or backspace to remove it. And what we're going to do is increase the stroke weight. Oh, but before we do that, what we need to do is click on stroke and change the cap type to round. Let's go back to increasing the stroke weight, and we can hold shift as well. This will make the process a bit faster. And let's click on that bottom point and we can drag holding shift and move this up. I don't know what all those weird lines are. Illustrator, what are you doing? And there we go. We have a heart shape, but we're not done. So what we're going to do is go up to effect and then down to warp, and we're going to select bulge. And what this does is, well, you can see it does something very undesirable. However, if we go and change the bulge to vertical and then bring this down, and gradually increase this, you can see we go from a straight heart to a slightly curvy one. Now, if it does that weird thing in the middle, don't worry, we can fix that easily in a moment. We can also change the distortion and bump this up vertically, and as you can see, it removes that weird middle point. And even once you've done this, you can click OK. This effect is editable here, or you can delete it, and you can still adjust the stroke weight. So we could bring that down a bit more, and all of this is fully editable, so you can fine tune the perfect heart. Now, if you go and try and scale this up or down, there is a chance it will do this. It will maintain the stroke properties, and that isn't what we want. So if you want to be able to change the size of this easily, go over here from the transform panel, click the 3 dots, and make sure that scale strokes and effects is checked. Now when I move this up and down, you can see it maintains the form and the stroke weight will change accordingly. So there we go, that is how to create a heart shape. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, comment, like, share, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.